Is that a Super? Yo, sorry. I'm sorry, but what's up, guys? It's your boy Zay from C-Line Pro, and as you can hear, the car is going through a little bit of some technical difficulties. Nothing major, just a freaking blown tire. Just my luck. So we are about to get this shit fixed. Hopefully I got everything I need to fix my tire. I know I got the a jack. I know I got the lugs for it. I just hope I have the right socket wrench for it. I mean, not the lug. I know I got the socket for it. I just hope I got the right socket wrench for it. So yeah, man. Let me give me some space to actually work on the car. And you guys are about to witness this little car vlog because I haven't been posting any content, and I might as well give you some content of me doing some shit to my car because it's being stupid. Actually, I'm being stupid. I drive very fast, very recklessly, and that's probably the 99% reason why my shit's done up right now. So let's get this shit started. Finally got the lugs loosened. The problem I was having before that, for some reason, the socket that I had for the lugs wasn't fitting around the lugs. So I had another socket, but it wasn't for the socket wrench that I had. So what I did was I ghetto rigged it. I put the smaller socket on. I put the bigger socket around it that fitted the socket wrench. So I got those lug nuts off. Now we're just jacking the car up so I can replace that tire, man. So just give me a quick second, and I gotta go with the original stock tires for a second. So hopefully we can get this done either today or tomorrow, one of these days, man, because I gotta have my Jones sitting right, man. And once I get that tire fixed, you know, we can get her washed too. Cause look at that, man. She's looking real dirty right now. But hey, it is what it is. So we about to get this tire popped on, man. So just sit back and enjoy the little, you know what I mean, little footage. Car jacked up. We may got to jack it up a little more, but let's get this wheel off. Starting to rain. Not rain, but it's a nice little drizzle. Nice little drizzle. Alright. Let's see what this shit look like, man. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at that. Hole. Another hole, hole. This is crazy, guy. What the hell happened? Let's grab this stock tire. Move this tire out the way. Let's get this guy. So I gotta get in the car more. I think so. Maybe. It's on there, but for some reason it's not flush. There we go. Flush fit. Just like that. All the tires on. What really took long was trying to get these lugs off. Only reason for that is because the freaking socket didn't want to work for it. So I'm gonna show you in a second what I did. I don't know why I didn't record it, but watch. I'm gonna show you the engineering that I have. It's not even real like engineering, but I call it quick thinking, because I was so mad. Like this, like you see the tire. I couldn't drive this car to a. I couldn't even drive this car to a tire shop. When I want to make my video, they want to cut their grass. Ain't that some shit? We're almost done, guys. This is the one that was giving me problems before. I think it's the same exact lug that was giving me problems before. Always one, right? And it's a super small lug, so see. Now let me show you what I had to do to get these mugs. This was the original one. It's a 7x8. It worked before, that's why I have it. Yes, it may look a little big, but I was able to change the tire, get to the brake pads, everything, rotors, everything, just with this. But now it doesn't want to work. I don't know why. So I have this one, but it's not for, like I said, it's not for this socket. So had to be ghetto. Put a double suppress on that one. You hear me? But now I'm about to let this car down, man. So I can wait for this shit, man.
New tire, man. And just to give you guys a little update on the Civic, we got some parts coming in. Well, we got some parts that came in. Hold on so you guys can see what this is. Yep. We got us a SKUNK2. We got us an M80. And we got some more parts coming soon.
Yeah, man. So with this right here and these parts that I got coming, like I said, man, it's gonna be a process. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a process, but I am ready for this process. My boy Brian, you remember him with the red hatch? You know what I mean? With the B18 in it. Crazy. His car is near completion. Lou car is completed, but you know he's always doing something to his car. So everybody's moving forward. You see what I'm saying? My brother got his RSX, and he just got the Teggy. Oh my God, crazy! I ain't even see it yet, but yo, we got some big things going on, man. We're about to do something that not a lot of people from where we from did before, and it's about to be insane. And it's got something to do with this right here. And I'm gonna make a video Saturday about, you know what I mean, about basically to elaborate what I just said. You see what I'm saying? That statement I just said. I'm gonna elaborate about that on Saturday. And I'm sorry that I haven't been. Is that a Super? Yo, sorry. I'm sorry, but I just lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a video Saturday to elaborate what I just said. You know what I mean? And basically, I'm sorry that I haven't been in the scenes or really been posting too much content lately. That's because of my camera. I'm having some camera malfunctions right now. But Saturday we should be back in action. We should be back in order. Me and camera should be reunited again. And yo, it's gonna be some movies, man. I'm telling you. Once I get back in these scenes, it's gonna be nuts. I'm telling you guys. But yo, like I said, SKUNK2. We're coming to do something real different, man. So you guys wait on it. Wait to see this video Saturday. I'm gonna the CIVIC's gonna be in it. The new Teggy is gonna be in it. It's just gonna be, I mean, it's gonna be basically an educational video for you guys. You know what I mean? To bring you guys back up to speed of what everything's been going on. Because like I said, I have been going for a minute, and I do apologize for that. But you know what I mean? I've been going to make you guys happy. And I know that sounds stupid, but like it makes perfect sense. And just to make it clear, another reason why I've been going, so I can let you camera guys catch up. See what I'm saying? You camera guys need to catch up. Shout out to my boy Zip Tie, and shout out to my boy Stay Classy. See what I'm saying? Shout out to them. I mean, they are part of the Z-Line Pro team, and yo, go check them out, yo. They got some dope footage. My boy Stay Classy just dropped the Cars and Coffee video. Fire, got some fire vehicles in it, got some fire builds in it. So go give him a follow, man. I put both of their links in the description below, put their Instagrams and everything. So yo, stay tuned for what we got in store. And I'm sorry that I've been gone, and guess what? I'm back now.